Tulsi kashayam is an instant preparation made out of herbs, and it can be used for acute running nose, cold and cough on an instant basis. It will be immediately relieving the related complications of acute running nose within 1 or 2 doses. Now we'll have a Tulsi kashayam, a simple remedy which can be utilized for acute running nose, cold and cough. What you require to prepare this medicine is just Tulsi leaves, fresh Tulsi leaves,
Osmum sanctum,
fresh leaves, omum powder or omum as such,
ajwain,
palm sugar candy.
palm sugar candy.
You can put the kadai on a flame, it should be very slow, and pour 200 ml of water into the kadai.
So 200 already measured in a glass.
Since the water is hot enough, you can add Tulsi leaves to that.
How much we can take?
1 handful you can put.
And we should separate it from the stem.
Yeah,
So
only
already
leaves.
separated,
Yeah.
and we're taking only the leaves.
Yes.
So 1 handful of leaves.
Yes. It can be added.
Osmum sanctum.
1/4 of a teaspoon oma powder.
Or we can use the fresh one as
Yes, oma as such also can be used.
Suppose 1/4
Yes.
teaspoon.
3 pieces of palm sugar candy can be put in there.
The palm sugar can be about 3 pieces.
Yeah, smaller pieces 3.
1, 2,
3 pieces of sugar candy also can be added, and then boil it well. Reduce the decoction to 100 ml. It may take half an hour time to reduce to 100 ml into 100 ml.
So what we use this decoction for?
This is a home remedy for acute cold, running nose and related complications like cough, headache, all. Even the slight fever related to the rhinitis also will be relieved with this decoction.
And how often one can take this?
This 100 ml can be taken both morning and evening.
So 50 ml in the morning and 50 in the evening.
Yes.
And it should be warm, or it can be cooled off by evening and taken the same.
It should be again made warm, then taken internally.
Can we use a microwave to make it warm again?
Yeah, nowadays we can use microwave also to make it warm. And it can be used for 3 days. Within 3 days of time, the acute running nose should come down.
So if it doesn't come down in 3 days, he needs to see a doctor.
It can be used again for 2 more days. Definitely within that time it must be disappearing. Now the kashayam is ready. Allow it to cool down. You can now filter the kashayam into glass. This 100 ml of kashayam can be used both morning and evening, 50 ml each. It can be continued for minimum 3 days.
Smell is awesome. So Tulsi kashayam ready.